What's up, guys? I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 2 years, 4 months, and a week. By far, I've achieved a 30.5% return rate. If you believe in getting wealthy through long-term investing, check out my detailed weekly update in this video. The inflation data for September was released this week, with CPI up 2.4% compared to a year ago, making it one step closer to the ultimate 2% goal from the Fed. Encouraged by this, the S&P 500 sealed a 1.1% weekly gain, giving us another solid green week. Our portfolio benefited from the great news too. I made my weekly $50 VOO purchase around 10 a.m. on Wednesday, bringing my total holding to 14.8 shares. The current value of my investment sits at $78.97 with a profit of $18.47, which translates into that 30.5% rate of return. Here's a chart that sums up my entire investing journey so far. This week marks the 2-year milestone of the current bull market, with the stock gaining about 60% since 2022. Historically, the hot market tends to slow down in the third year. With the presidential election coming up soon, I'm not expecting a very strong finish to the year, which is fine because predicting the market is never our intention here. Our strategy is always simple. All it takes is $50 a week, and the time will be our best friend. If you found this video helpful, feel free to join me on this journey. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week.